Hercules, Hercules. Hey guys, it's your girl IbbyInspired, and I am back with another review. I'm so excited to be showing you guys this review today because, as you can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing a review on our Boxycharm box. So I purchased Boxycharm. I'm a pretty new purchaser. I actually purchased it in January, and I purchased another one in February. I wanted to purchase the one in January just to see if it entailed what the description actually said, and it turns out that the products were actually really good, and so I decided to go on and do a review for this February 2019 Boxycharm. So you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got personally in my Boxycharm for this month. So for those of you guys who are not Boxycharm subscribers, every Boxycharmer, I guess you can say that, I don't know, every Boxycharmer gets different products, so it's gonna be a surprise and you're not gonna know what's in my box personally. Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to join that IbbyInspired fam bam. Now, y'all know it's African American History Month, and we only got 28 days in the month. It's the shortest month of the year, so go ahead and subscribe before it's too late. Okay, I lied. It's never too late, but go ahead and press that subscribe button right now, and let's go ahead and get into the review. Okay guys, so just to give you guys a little bit of background about Boxycharm, you will receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and that will be ranging from makeup to skincare, beauty tools, color cosmetics, and each box has a minimum value of $100. So I think that's really good. Normally you would pay about $10 for a beauty box, and you'll get like the little sample size. So when I found out that this gives you the actual full size, I was like, let's go sis, let's go, I'm all in it. I am personally paying $21 a month, but I know that others are paying a little bit more to get like exclusives and extra Boxycharm items, but I think that the main set beginning price is $21 a month, and then you get your 4 to 5 items. So you guys, in this Boxycharm, as I said, there are 4 to 5 items, and then it comes with this paper here. It pretty much gives you a list of all the items that is included in your Boxycharm, with all the prices included as well. So I'm just gonna go through the list and I'll show you guys all the items that I got in my Boxycharm this month. Okay, so the first thing guys will be the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and it looks like this. And I love this mascara. Y'all know when I do like this, y'all know that I love this product. This is actually a product that I already use. As you can see here, I have the same exact product. The only difference between the blue Better Than Sex Mascara and the pink Better Than Sex Mascara is that the blue Better Than Sex Mascara is waterproof. So I don't know about y'all, but I get a lot of allergies and my eyes start to tear, and it gets windy in the winter, and y'all know it's winter time. So I decide to do the waterproof Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm actually wearing it on my eyelashes now. So you really don't need any falsies when it comes to the Better Than Sex Mascara, because I mean, sis, it is like out like your lashes be fluttering, like it be good. This Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara does retail for $24. So our next item is going to be the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and this retails for $32. So this is what it looks like. I love me some gold highlight, especially for this chocolate skin. So let's actually go ahead and try it. I always like a good nose highlight. I'm just gonna take my ring finger. Ooh, y'all see that? Oh yeah. Ooh, sis, this is a lot. So it's really pigmented. It's blurring, honey. So I'm gonna actually swatch a little bit on my hand, and I'll let you guys see for yourselves. Really, really nice, really pretty. Very cute. So the next thing we have is the Touch in Soul No Poreblem Primer. Okay, I see you. No Poreblem Primer. And this retails for $18. And this is what it looks like. What I do is I take a little bit and I put it on my hand. And what I do is, you have like little crevices in your hand, and I see how the primer absorbs in the hand. So normally I see if it sits down in the crevices, and if it does that, then the primer is actually pretty good. And if it just sits on top of the crevices, if it's not filling in all your pores and stuff like that, then normally I'm just like, I don't know about that. It smells actually very fresh. I like the texture of it. It feels kind of like gel. It seems to be sitting pretty, so I'll go ahead and try that in one of my tutorials. I'll go ahead and try that in one of my tutorials, and I will see what we think. It's supposed to smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect. I was about to say perfect. Okay, so the next thing we have is Sol de Janeiro, and it's in the Coco Cabana cream. Now you guys, I already have products from Sol de Janeiro, so I think that Boxycharm is actually pretty good at knowing the products that I like, so they're on top of that, which is a good thing. I see you, Boxycharm. So Sol de Janeiro is this cream that I use. I actually have their other cream as well, and I love the smell of it. It's kind of hard to open. Alright, so I'm about to get savage. That smells really good. I think it's the same type of texture and same type of, you know, the same thing, except it's in a different type of flavor. So it smells good. I already know how this lotion works, guys. It works amazing. It makes your skin feel amazing. It makes your skin smell really good. So this is already an A in my book. You guys, this retails for $20. So you guys, we're already like quadruple the amount that you're actually paying for the box, which is amazing. So the last thing that we have in our Boxycharm box is the Nudestick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and I already saw how pretty this gold is. Again, I love gold for this chocolate skin. This retails for $24, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand. Ooh, guys, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's see what it looks like on the eye. Why not? Ooh, do you guys see that on camera? That automatically instantly brightened up my eyes as well. So yes, Nudestick. I'm so excited to show you guys these products on my face in reviews and tutorials, so stay tuned for that. And again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video to let me know if you want to see more Boxycharm videos like this. And I don't know if you heard me, but don't forget to subscribe to IbbyInspired to become a part of that IbbyInspired fam bam. And let's cheers. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.